Hi, in this video you will learn about ROS2 Packages and Workspace. We'll explain about the contents of the package. Also we'll explain the difference between ROS2 Installation Workspace and ROS2 Local Workspace. After that, we'll learn how to build and source the local workspace. And finally, we'll create some packages and run it. Here on the right hand side, we have the ROS2 commands which we will use in the video. If you already know ROS1, then on the left hand side you can find the corresponding ROS1 commands. Basically, a ROS2 package can be considered as a container for your ROS2 code where you organize your code. The packages are made in an easy to consume manner such that it's not heavy and it's easily distinguishable. Package creation in ROS2 uses Ament as its build system and Colcon as its build tool. You can create a package using either CMake or Python, which are officially supported, though other build types do exist. ROS2 CMake and Python packages have their own minimum required contents. Example, in CMake, we have package.xml, which contains meta information about the package. Example, package name, its version, maintainer, license, etc. And cmakelist.txt, which describes how to build the code within the package. Example, setting the C++ standard to use compilation option, dependencies, etc. In Python, we have package.xml, which contains meta information about the package, and setup.py, which contains instruction how to install the package, and setup.cfg, which is required when a package has executable, so ROS2 can find them. Now let's go to this search for TurtleSim GitHub. Here select this first link and change it to Foxy Devil. Now click on this TurtleSim package. Here you can observe that this package is a CMake package since it is having cmakelist.txt and package.xml. So go to the package.xml and here you can find what kind of meta information is there inside it. For example, you can find a tag of package name, then its version, then description, and the maintainer, license, URL, author. You can even find the package build dependencies and execution dependencies, etc. Now go to the cmakelist.txt and you will find that it contains description on how to build the package. For example, here you can find the CMake standard, the compilation options, then the package dependencies, then messages, service and actions. Then we have the executable information, this add executable line. Similarly, you should explore some Python package from this repository. Now let's learn about ROS2 Workspace. In a simple word, ROS2 Workspace contains ROS2 packages. This is ROS2 Installation Workspace where you will get the packages when you install ROS2, and it contains the packages which you install using sudo apt install ROS-foxy then package, like used above command to install TurtleSim. We source the ROS2 installation workspace so that the packages are available for the use in the terminal. Now there is another workspace, I will call it local workspace, which you can create by making your own package or by downloading some packages from the internet. To source the local workspace, you need to go to the root of your workspace and type source install and setup.bash. Now let's do some experiment. So create a workspace and name the folder ROS2_WS. Here inside it, make the folder name src. Now we'll learn how to create a ROS2 package. So just open a terminator and type and navigate to the src. I'll split this screen into some parts because we will be creating the Python and CMake package. Now here you can find the syntax for create a package. This for Python and this for CMake. For this tutorial, we'll be using an optional argument which is node name. So you can find it here, this node name. So it will create a hello world type executable in the package. So let's create a CMake package. Just copy this command and paste in this src folder, and we'll change the name to my package cpp. So you can see here we have successfully created the package. Even you can go to the src and check the package is created. Similarly, we'll create a Python package. So just copy here you can find the difference that it's amend Python. Just paste this command and we'll change the package name to my package underscore py. And we have created a Python package. Again go to the here you can see my package py. Now we need to build a system, build a package. So navigate to the ROS2 workspace directory and type colcon build. So we have successfully built a package. Now we need to source the workspace. So in order to source the local workspace, we have to type source and install setup.bash. Copy this command and paste it in the second terminal. So we have to navigate to the ROS2 workspace directory and run this command. Next we'll run the executable which we have created. So you can find the command to run this executable. Just copy it and paste it here. Here in the package name is my package, then cpp. Press enter. So here you can observe that the hello world my package cpp package. So we got this output. Similarly, we'll run the Python package and you can observe it is working. Hi from my package py. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you like this video and learned something new. If you like this video, please give us like and subscribe to our channel and keep learning.